If you are a person who is interested in investing in mutual funds but doesn't know how to and what to, this video will be a great start for you. Also, if you are a person who is already investing in mutual funds, there is a good takeaway for you in this video. Did you know that some percentage of your hard-earned money is routing to commission agents without your knowledge while investing in mutual funds? In this video, I will show you a platform which doesn't even charge a paisa as commission. Stay tuned. Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to the world of Get Ready. If at any time you get a query on mutual funds, please let me know in the comment section below. In my next videos, I will consider all of them and will clarify once for all. Okay, let us discuss one by one parallelly by exploring a platform called Fyers Direct. Just go to Fyers official website fyers.in. In the products tab, select Fyers Direct. This is our mutual funds platform Fyers Direct. You are aware of Direct, right? Let me explain in short. Mutual funds are of two types, regular mutual funds and direct mutual funds. Both have the same schemes, same exposure, same profits, everything is same. The difference is, in regular mutual fund, you invest in an AMC, asset management company, through a middleman like commission agent, etc. Due to this, almost 1.5% of your investments will be deducted from you and paid to them by AMC. So, agents 1.5% and AMCs 1.5%. Total 3% of your investments will be charged from you. You will receive your NAVs after adjusting to these charges. These are all almost hidden charges type. But here, in direct platform, you will get to invest directly in AMC without any agents, saving this 1.5%. Fyers Securities is giving this type of platform, Fyers Direct, free for its clients. I suggest you to explore this platform with your Fyers credentials as soon as you finish this video. If you don't have a Fyers account, please consider opening it through us. To do it, please click on the link in the description box below and submit your details in the page opened. Our Fyers representative will call you and will open your account. Okay, back to topic. Even this is free, this platform gives you best of best information for you to explore, sort and analyze each and every scheme. You can also select an AMC of your confidence and invest in it directly. Each and every scheme's history, details, performance, etc. You can access all forms of mutual fund industry free of cost. Isn't it good? The only thing you need to know is what to analyze and how to analyze in this platform. In some next videos, I will surely cover each and every bit of it. Okay, let us first have a basic tour on this platform. Let us log in with Fyers credentials. This will be the dashboard where you can have a quick view of your holdings and SIPs. First step you need to clear is the bank mandate. For investments, particularly SIPs, bank mandate is compulsory. Similar to how you give your mandate for EMIs of your loans, with this mandate, the amount you specified will be deducted on the day you specified and will be invested in the AMC you specified. Systematic investment plan. Let us quickly see how this mandate can be done. Click on Generate Mandate. In the page opened, select the bank details. Select SIP date, that is, on which day of every month you intend to invest. Next, enter your registered mobile number and just be sure that e-mandate selection is on and click on Submit. Our mandate is generated. See, this is the mandate we generated, right? To activate it, select Activate here and in the page opened, if you click Continue here, you will be asked to fill the OTP which you get through email for your registered email ID. Just enter what you got and submit. You will be directed to this page where you can select internet banking or debit card details to confirm that it is you who is creating this mandate, security measures. When you do it, your e-mandate will be ready. So, you are now ready to invest in mutual funds. See, I have activated my mandates before itself. See here, you can check in active mandates. Okay, to start investing, just select a scheme, how to select, what to check and all. We will be doing more videos on this for sure. In the scheme selected, you can either invest in lump sum or can invest some portions monthly, that is SIP. Here, you can have a look on the similar schemes you selected and their comparison. Here, you can check the sectors and weightage of each sector this scheme is investing in. That too in an easy to analyze graphical representation. More details here, like the fund manager name, objective of the scheme and so on. See here, minimum SIP is 500 rupees, they say. Minimum lump sum investment is 5000 rupees. The size, exit load, expense ratio and here the performance. As said, we will definitely do a video showing how to decode all of this information. Okay, let us see how to invest in SIP. Just select this SIP. In this window, enter the amount you intended to invest. Enter the frequency, monthly. Number of installments, I will enter 12. You should be getting doubts on this, like if I enter 6 instead of 12, what does that mean? Or if I had given a mandate on 5th of every month, but on that day if I don't have balance in my account, what will happen? If you get any doubt of this kind, please mention in the comments box below. I will cover it in the next videos for sure. Okay, just confirm all the data and click on Start SIP. Your investment starts on the day you mentioned in the SIP. Generally, be it lump sum or SIP, you will get your NAVs in 2 or 3 days after your amount deducts. Okay, we have seen about buying till now. Let us also see how to sell. Just select your scheme and select redeem here. You will be shown the total available units in form of NAVs here. If you want to take full amount, just select redeem all. If you want to take partial amount like some 200 points value type 200 here and select redeem. Your NAVs will be deducted and your amount will be credited in 2 days. You can also invest more in that scheme by selecting here. You can add a lump sum amount or opt for SIP. All things will be same. One more advantage of this Fyers Direct is there will be a connection between your trading account and this mutual funds account. Just imagine the advantage of it and the transactions you can do. Anyways, I will cover it in the next video for sure. Fyers Direct, even Fyers has many genuine advantages of this type, and that is the reason I always suggest you to open a Fyers account. If you are impressed with this platform and to open your account in Fyers, just click on the link in the description box below and submit your details. Our Fyers representative will call you and will open your account. Advantages of opening through me is I will be explaining how to operate on almost all platforms of Fyers. I will be explaining each and every platform, product and also explain you how to operate the products and platforms. Just find out them in the Fyers playlist which may help you. This Fyers is all about Fyers Direct. If you like this video, please click on like, share with your friends and comment on your queries. Also, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. Please consider opening Fyers account through us. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.